There is something about the way this debate is going on which is unfortunate and polarizing. Let me turn to the other story. And remember, it's a day before tomorrow Bihar votes in this marathon election, the last phase tomorrow. The BJP, though, has come out today with a controversial newspaper ad targeting the Nitish Kumar government on the beef row. The ad questioned the silence of Nitish Kumar on the alleged insult to the cow, which is revered by Indians. After a complaint by the Grand Alliance, the poll panel has now decided to censor newspaper ads on polling day.
Front page advertisement by BJP across leading Hindi dailies in Bihar, raking up the beef row and attacking Nitish Kumar. These advertisements were published a day after BJP targeted Nitish government for alleged soft policy towards Indian Mujahideen's Darbhanga module. With few hours to go for the final phase of polling in this highly charged battleground state, the war of words is heating up.
Didn't you ask this question to Lalu Yadav? Why did he raise it? I'm a Hindu. I respect all other religion. I'm a secular man. But you can't hit somebody's religious sentiments.
57 assembly constituencies go to polls on Thursday in Simhanchal and Mithilanchal, which have around 30% minority votes. Even as the BJP rolled the communally sensitive dice, the Grand Alliance cried foul, taking their complaint to the Election Commission's door.
और 3 दिन से लगातार जो विज्ञापन छप रहे हैं, उनकी बौखलाहट का भी परिचय है, उनकी पराजय का भी परिचय है। और जो निष्पक्षता, न्यूट्रलिटी चुनाव आयोग की प्रॉम्प्टली दिखनी चाहिए थी, उसका कहीं न कहीं अभाव है।
Once revered for its education, cultural legacies, Darbhanga today fights the stigma of harboring anti-national forces. M.A. Qureshi of the Anjuman that lays to rest unclaimed bodies is pained at the prism through which Darbhanga is now looked at.
हम लोग को दर्द होता है जो दरभंगा के लोगों को बदनाम करता है कि यहाँ बहुत बदमाश लोग आके बैठे हुए हैं। यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ के लोग बहुत शरीफ लोग हैं।
Then how come you say that complete city, for 2 or 3 guys, you are saying that complete city and the citizens of this city, they are criminals, they are the terrorists?
Mithilanchal, once the land of learned scholars like Vidyapati, Nagarjun, Mandan Mishra, Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay is today fighting stigmas at various levels. The stakes are very high in the last phase in this battleground state. The mood is somber though. So will the sensitive issues that have been raked up lead to polarization of votes? And how will the political dynamics shape up in Bihar? The answers will be found shortly with the clock ticking away. Here in Darbhanga with Prahlad and video journalist Sanjeev Kumar, this is Smita Sharma for India Today.
So what is the ground reality in Darbhanga? More importantly, is this an ad which should have really been used in an election campaign? I'm going to ask my cameraman to focus on this. This is an ad which clearly many believe is communally polarizing. Joining me now is the Member of Parliament of Darbhanga, Kirti Azad of the BJP, and Ajay Alok, the spokesperson of the JDU. Kirti Azad, let me ask you this. This is not cricket, sir. This ad is not cricket. A day before Darbhanga polls, you have put out an ad which shows a woman tending to a cow and saying, what is Nitish Kumar going to do about the apman which is being done to Pujya Gai? This is in Darbhanga, large 25-30% Muslim population. Effectively, you seem to be suggesting that Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar are only batting for the Muslims. Is that what you want to suggest? Is that how you want to win this election, sir?
Rajdeep, let me put it this way. I'm a Hindu. I'm a secular. I respect all religion. If somebody hits me below the belt, then people should know about it. It was started by Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. Why didn't he say, when he said that Hindus eat beef, or he could have also said that Muslims eat pork? That would have also come. It is haram for them. So, you know, when you make such statements, is basically an appeasement policy, which I suppose is not correct. And when somebody asks, when cow slaughter is banned in lots of these states, and you come up with such statements, then obviously people should know.
No, so therefore are you saying this ad is about the fact that you believe that the opposition has been, or Nitish and Lalu have been engaging in Muslim appeasement?
It's not polarization.
You believe that this ad is designed to only reflect that?
Yes.
Or is it designed to ask the Hindus of Darbhanga, please only vote for us because only we can protect cow slaughter? So if they are engaging in Muslim appeasement, you are engaging, some would say, in Hindu appeasement or in Hindu mobilization. So how are you different from them?
No, this is where you are wrong. This is where you are wrong. We're just trying to tell them that they are trying to appease people. We want everybody to be voting for development. And they
This ad is
got
not
this
about development,
issue
sir.
of
I don't
Hindus
see
getting
Bijli,
beat.
I don't see Sadak, I don't see
No, whatever
Suraksha.
it is.
I was in Darbhanga.
Fair
Those
enough.
are the real issues.
enough.
Bijli, Sadak, Pani, Shiksha,
यार, बात तो
Suraksha.
सुनो यार, Rajdeep, you are
Not
too
guys, sir.
impatient. You are such a
No, sir, I'm asking you.
Rajdeep, you are such a senior. I'm answering you. I'm answering you. Get a little impatient. Would you just give me a patient hearing?
Sir, sir.
I will just let you know.
Sir.
I said somebody is just trying to tell people this is how they are trying to appease people. That appeasement should not be there. Asking Nitish Kumar to react.
Yes. Okay, there's a problem with our source there. Nothing more than that. Please don't see any diabolical motive there. Let me go to Ajay Alok. Ajay Alok, your party is being accused today of Muslim appeasement, and therefore the BJP says this ad is a reaction to Muslim appeasement taking place, they say, in Darbhanga. How do you respond?
See, Rajdeep, this ad is a desperate attempt, a large-based attempt to communalize things. Now, if you see the whole discourse of this election, it started from June 25th from Muzaffarpur rally when Prime Minister openly spoke of Yaduvanshi. And today it ended with cow. So this is the genesis. In between came first OBC PM, then after 1 month he became Ati Pichhda PM, then came Mohan Bhagwat reservation issue.
But aren't you
then
playing
reservation
Muslim
was diverted to religion-based diversion.
If they are playing the Hindu
Not at all. Why
card,
we
you are
should
playing
play
the Muslim card.
Why we should play?
You are being accused
Why
by
we- why we
you are
should
being
play
accused
Muslim
by Kirti
We are
Azad of
not-
Muslim
we are
appeasement.
not
The
scared
Prime
of
Minister
Muslims.
said the other day that you have actually your
That-
party has
when the pri-
actually
when the-
patronized the terrorists in the Darbhanga module. That's what the Prime Minister even suggested.
For that we had written to Election Commission and we had requested them that the BJP, for this ad, particularly this ad, there should be Rashtraddroh ka mukadma in pe hona chahiye bilkul. Why? I'm telling you, they have said that Bihar police has gone slow on Yasin Bhatkal. Please ask and go and check the records. Go and check the records. It was Bihar police, IPS officer, Mr. Vinay Kumar, then Superintendent of Police, who himself arrested Bhatkal, called up NIA and handed him over to the NIA. And because of Vinay, today the country is saved of Yasin Bhatkal, and they are accusing that Bihar police acted slow.
Have you
I mean,
played
you are decorating, you have decorated this Modi.
Have you
Modi
not
government-
reached out to the
Modi
Muslims?
government decorated
Have
that
you not
also.
reached out to the
President
Muslims in this
guaranteed-
election by providing special patronage,
We have-
promising special
we have-
patronage to madrasas? They could argue that also. I'm saying we will question the BJP on so-called Hindu appeasement, but you will also have to face the
one.
charge of Muslim
Number one.
appeasement.
Look, Rajdeep, if you talk like that, let's have a debate on something else. When we came into the power in 2005, the dropout rate was 12.1%, school dropout rate. Out of that 12.1%, maximum was from minorities. Today, the dropout rate has gone down from 12.1 to 1.1. So if we have reached to the society which was not educated, what's wrong in that? That's the work of a government. And it's not only Muslims. We have gone to the Ati Pichhdas, we have gone to the Mahadalits. Which section of the society Nitish Kumar has not gone into?
What is the topic
This is
today,
their problem.
Kirti,
We are not looking into subsector and subsector.
I take
we are
your
looking
point.
at 11 crore
Sir, I
generalized
take
Bihari
your point.
population.
1
That
minute.
is my
You make
target.
Dr. Alok, you make a good point. I want to give you a final word, Kirti Azad. You said this election is about Vikas. I will maintain. I was in Darbhanga, and the fact is infrastructure is collapsing in that city. You are the two-time MP. If Vikas is to
Very
be the
correct,
issue,
very true.
if Vikas is to be the issue, you should be focusing on that. What is the need for the BJP in this final stretch of the campaign to speak about Muslim reservations, which Nitish has certainly not promised in the manner that the Prime Minister has put forward? What is the need for this ad on cow slaughter to be put out? It is clear that you want to communalize this electorate. That you don't want to do. You claim you will fight on Vikas in Delhi, but on the ground in Darbhanga you are fighting on cow slaughter.
Rajdeep, you have a very typical mindset, and I do not blame you for it. You talked about the Indian Mujahideen Yasin Bhatkal. It took the Bihar government 10 years to really catch him after the NIA asked them to do so.
Yes.
He was roaming free.
Please answer my question, sir.
And was getting patronage. If you remember, I'm answering a question. There are so many that you have talked about, so let me answer them one by one, or just simply say thank you. When they talk about Raxaul, there was Tunda who was coming through the Nepal route. At that time, Mr. Nitish Kumar did not support the central forces, the agencies, to catch him, and they had to come on their own and catch them here. Talking about the cow, I have explained it well enough. in advance to you in the very beginning when you asked me. There's no need for me to repeat it. I would simply tell you, we are a secular country. We should stay like one. And those who try and communalize by saying Hindus eat beef, I'm sure the Chief Minister of Bihar should reply to that, whether he agrees to that statement or not.
The fact is that there are Hindus who eat beef, sir. There are. It is not, but that is not an election issue. The election issue should be development.
Do you accept that there are Muslims who eat pork?
Maybe,
No,
maybe.
no.
But
Do
is
you
that
agree-
is
do you
that
agree
the
to
issue
the
you
fact
want to
that
fight
Muslims
this
eat
election
pork?
on?
Maybe.
For God's sake, this
An
election
innocent-
should be
an
fought on
innocent
Bijli,
Danish
Sadak,
cartoonist
Pani, Suraksha, Shiksha.
was served a fatwa. I mean, what are you talking? You know, you might be eating beef. Don't
Sir,
hurt
you have
somebody
every
else's
right to
sentiment.
choose. Sir, my limited
You
point.
don't have to make it public and
Sir,
speak like this.
Sir, my limited point to you,
My limit-
Mr.
my
Azad,
limit- my-
is this
my big
election to
point
be
is,
fought on
if
beef?
whatever is your
Is this
personal thing,
election
you
to
do
be
it.
fought on beef
But do
ban
not
or on
hurt the
development?
sentiment.
Is this election to be
have-
fought on
my dear
development or
friend,
beef ban?
You look in. Yes, it will. Okay, let me answer. It will be fought on development. You see what development is taken in Gujarat, what is taken in Madhya Pradesh, what is taken in Chhattisgarh.
So put
you
that
go
in the
there,
ad.
Visit it.
So why don't you make
even
that
the
the
central
ad?
government at that
Make
time,
that
the
the
UPA
ad.
had to stop these awards.
So why don't you make
Because
that the
Gujarat
ad?
got it for 8 years
Why make
in a
this
row.
the ad? Why not
So
make
why
that
don't
the
you-
ad?
Why do you tickle my funny bone? Why do you tickle my funny bone? Why do you tickle me like that? Why do you have to say that? When you say Hindus eat beef, say Muslims eat pork along with it? Why
So
do you
there
have to
must
say
be-
that? You did it with a mind to incite and do appeasement. That's not done.
Okay, so you believe that Lalu Prasad was engaging in appeasement, he was inciting a section of the voters, and you believe this ad
Obviously,
is a
he has done
reaction
it.
to it.
Always.
Let's leave it there. Let's leave it there.
Development is
Clearly,
for
this has
everyone.
been an ugly,
It's not for-
polarized campaign in Bihar, and all is fair, some would say, in elections in India. Kirti Azad in Darbhanga, Ajay Alok from Patna, I appreciate your joining us. And just a reminder, post-poll survey, all the big numbers, who's winning the battle for Bihar, 5 p.m. onwards, on this channel tomorrow. Let's take a break and then come back with more.
अमित शाह नरभक्षी जो है भाजपा का जो अध्यक्ष है,
जय पराजय तो बिहार में होगी, पटाखे पाकिस्तान में जाकर चलेंगे।
ये शैतान है जो मेरे मुंह में डाल के बोलता है बात।
ये लोग दलितों का औरों का चुरा चुरा करके संप्रदाय के लोगों के आधार पर आरक्षण बांटना चाहते हैं।
बिहार को चलाएगा कौन? बिहारी चलाएगा या बाहरी चलाएगा?